My interest in the history of technology as entertainment centers around Luna Park, a turn of the 20th century amusement park that helped define everything today that we think of as entertainment. Inventions showcased there include amusement rides, fast food, recorded music, motion pictures, and electric lighting, which helped usher in this new era of nighttime leisure. This destination seems so relevant in the context of the 21st century's current third industrial revolution. Over several years, I modeled a 3D printed replica of Luna Park populated by the people I scanned in the Scan-A-Rama 3D portrait studio. Then, during a 2017 TED Residency, the project evolved further into a virtual reality time machine, inviting viewers to virtually visit key years in the park's history. I see the VR piece as a prototype for a future time machine platform, inviting scholars to reconstruct and virtually visit any historic site. A crowdsourced time machine for the next generation when these new technologies become commonplace and accessible to all.